Hi students, today let us discuss some important multiple choice questions from the chapter number 1, Diversity in Living World. Question number 1, the classification system proposed by Linnaeus was a dash kingdom system of classification. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. It's a direct question. Answer is option A, that is two kingdom system of classification. But now we have 5 kingdom level of classification, that is Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. Question number 2, cyanobacteria are classified under which of the following kingdom? Cyanobacteria are classified under which of the following kingdom? Option A Monera, option B Protista, option C Algae, option D Plantae. We know that cyanobacteria have chlorophyll pigment like green plants and they do photosynthesis. And all characters similar to the characters of Monera. So the cyanobacteria are classified under group or kingdom Monera. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 3. Photosynthetic pigments of cyanobacteria include option A chlorophyll A, option B carotenes, option C xanthophylls, option D all of these. As we know, cyanobacteria have chlorophyll pigment like green plants and they also prepare their own food by using the process called photosynthesis. So for the photosynthesis, chlorophyll A, carotenoids, xanthophylls are required. So here correct answer is option D, that is all of these. Means chlorophyll A, carotenoids and xanthophylls. Question number 4. Cyanobacteria are used in agricultural fields for crop improvement because they cause Cyanobacteria are used in agricultural fields for crop improvement because they cause option A nitrogen fixation, option B algal blooms, option C photosynthesis, option D all of these. Let us discuss about the options. Option A nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is a process by which molecular nitrogen in the air is converted into ammonia, NH3. Algal bloom means rapid accumulation in the population of algae in water bodies. Photosynthesis, we know already, preparation of food by the plants by using sunlight, water, oxygen and all. So here cyanobacteria are useful in agricultural field. So algal bloom, photosynthesis is not the right answer. So nitrogen fixation is the right answer because it converts into ammonia. Nitrogen is converted into ammonia. So option A is the right answer, that is nitrogen fixation. Question number 5. Dash are important decomposers that cause decay and decomposition of dead bodies of plants and animals. Dash are important decomposers that cause decay and decomposition of dead bodies of plants and animals. Option A, saprophytic bacteria. Option B, saprophytic fungi. Option C, plants. Option D, both A and B. Now again look at the question. Dash are the important decomposers and that cause decay and decomposition of dead bodies. Which causes decomposition and decay of dead bodies of plants and animals? That is nothing but saprophytic organisms, or the organisms which follow saprophytic nutrients. So here option A and option B are the right answers, saprophytic bacteria and saprophytic fungi. Look at the option D, it says that both A and B are the correct answer. So the correct answer is option D, that is both A and B. Here saprophytic bacteria as well as saprophytic fungi both are important for the decomposition. So option D is the right answer. Question number 6. Dash is the most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Dash is the most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Option A, binary fission. Option B, endospore formation. Option C, conjugation. Option D, sexual reproduction. Let us discuss about the option first. Binary fission means here it's a asexual type of reproduction, separation of body into two new bodies. I mean one cell is divided into two cells, and that what production takes place, two cells also perform individual organisms. Next, endospore formation is formation of endospores. Next, option C, that is conjugation. Conjugation means transfer of genetic material between bacteria cells by direct cell to cell contact. Next, option D, sexual reproduction. Anyhow, we can tell clearly option D is not the correct answer. Why? Because sexual type of reproduction is not observed in the bacteria. Again look at the question. Dash is the most common method. Which is the most common method? Common method is nothing but option A. Correct answer is option A, binary fission. So binary fission is the most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Question number 7. Mycoplasms are classified under which of the following kingdom? Mycoplasms are classified under which of the following kingdom? Here we should know the general characteristics of mycoplasma. Then only we can write the option. Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, fungi. Option D, plant. So mycoplasms are the small parasitic bacteria. They lack cell wall and sometimes they cause us the diseases. So it is similar to the general characteristics of Monera. So clearly we can tell the option A is the right answer. Mycoplasms are classified under which of the following kingdom? The answer is option A, that is Monera. So mycoplasms comes under the kingdom Monera. Question number 8. Which of the following is an incorrect statement regarding mycoplasma? Which of the following is an incorrect statement regarding mycoplasma? Read the question properly. They are asking which is the incorrect statement, not correct statement. They are asking which is the incorrect statement regarding mycoplasma. Again, we should know the properly all the characteristics of mycoplasma, then only we can choose the correct answer. Now let's go to the options. Option A, they lack a cell wall. Option B, they are the smallest living cells. Option C, they cannot survive without oxygen. Option D, they are pathogenic in plants and animals. Now, which is the incorrect statement here? Mycoplasma about A, they lack a cell wall. Yeah, it is the correct. They lack cell wall. They are the smallest living cells. Yes, mycoplasms are the smallest living cells. Option C. They cannot survive without oxygen. But it is the wrong statement. They can survive without oxygen. Without oxygen also they can survive. Option D. They are pathogenic in plants and animals. Yeah, they causes some type of diseases in both in plants and animals. So option C is the incorrect statement. The correct statement is they can survive without oxygen also, but they have given they cannot survive without oxygen means it's the incorrect statement. So option C is the correct answer for the question number 8. Question number 9. Which of the following kingdoms has no well-defined boundaries? Which of the following kingdoms has no well-defined boundaries? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, fungi. Option D, none of these. Here clearly we can tell D is the not answer because none of this, and they are asking which of the following kingdom has no cell wall defined. So we can clearly tell D is the not answer. Now here has no well defined boundaries. Well defined boundaries means about cell wall. Means they don't have the proper cell wall. They are called as prokaryotic. Here prokaryotic is Monera. Remaining all are eukaryotes. Protista and fungi are eukaryotes. So Monera is the prokaryotes. Means in these organisms they don't have well defined boundaries. So option A, Monera, is the correct answer. Now question number 10. Which of the following organisms have been placed under kingdom Protista? Which of the following organisms have been placed under kingdom Protista? Here, to answer this question, we should know the general characteristics of Protista and some examples for this kingdom Protista. Option A, chrysophytes and dinoflagellates. Option B, euglenoids. Option C, slime molds and protozoans. Option D, all of these. Kingdom Protista includes chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids also there, slime molds and protozoans. So all these organisms placed under kingdom Protista. So the right answer is option A, all of these. Thank you.